Hello my beauties, so welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to all of you. Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe. So friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get clean hands. If you're having dark knuckle, dark patches around your hand, then this video, this home remedy is especially for you guys. So beauties, let's get started. So beauties, for this home remedy, firstly here I'm taking 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Baking powder I found like amazing for removing dark patches, darkness and dead cells from your body. So here I'm taking 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Our next ingredient is lemon juice, raw lemon juice. I just squeezed 1 lemon and I'm going to mix them both. These 2 ingredients is like sufficient. This will gonna remove all the darkness and gonna make your hand very soft, very fair, very bright, and removing all the darkness from your knuckles. So just mix it well. So now I'm taking little amount of it, massaging all over my hand, and then we are going to let it dry for 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes is sufficient, I guess. Yeah, it is. So just massage it like I'm doing in this video and then let it dry. So beauties, after washing my hand with normal water, can you see? Voila! It just made my hand super soft. It removes all the darkness and gives a shine to my hand. So this is something you all should try. And before going any further, let me show you my new Mama Earth Aloe Gel Face Wash with aloe vera and glycerin. Beauties, this face wash I recently bought for myself, and this is like super good for normal to sensitive skin. This is totally soap free, fragrance free, parabens free and sulfate free. It will gonna give you a very mild wash. It's gonna make your skin super soft and super sensitive. So this is like really amazing, and especially for those people who are having acne prone skin, sensitive skin like me. So this is something you should try. And my main reason of using Mamaearth product is they are cruelty free, they are vegan, they are plastic positive. So I just love their brand. Mamaearth is really amazing. Just go and give it a try to this face wash. So friends, here we are back. Just go give it a try to this home remedy. If you're having dark knuckles, if you're having dull hand, you want your hands to be bright, soft, and you want your hands to be beautiful basically. So just go give it a try. Please subscribe my channel. Do follow me on Instagram. See you. Tata. Take care.